The times
I
we
just started
had.
right now.
Alright, you are?
The times that you and me
Today on X Games, we're doing barrel spin, ollie, 180, 300. And we're gonna start off on this mountain right here with my turtle shell.
Let's go up higher, maybe. Maybe there's a higher point.
There's not. I mean, there's this.
No. I think here it's fine.
Yeah. Alright, you ready for this?
Alright, it's the two taboo.
Yeah, we got Jerome trying to go the farthest. Let's see how far he goes.
Let's go.
Today's Winter Olympics.
Go on.
Carlos,
Go ahead.
you have to spectate from the the village.
I got you.
Oh, bird.
I'm cold.
Alright, go on.
Nigga, no.
Alright,
Three.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit, I'm drifting.
Jerome,
I fell off the cliff.
Nice.
I went the furthest.
Fuck, I lost.
You lost.
I was second place.
Ah, dude, there's no fucking fall damage with this shit.
I told you. We just did it wrong when we went in the hole.
Nah, but it
Dude.
got us all killed.
Yeah, I think it was a little bit too much of a jump.
Avoid all fall damage, by the way. Fucking.
Why don't you take a seat right here next to me, bitch ass nigga?
Yeah, I gotta regain some more stamina.
Holy shit, you're fucking ugly. You're hideous. Oh my god. Don't look at me. Please don't look at me.
Your baboon lips, bro. Get them out of here.
What's up, bitch ass?
Wait. Oh my god, boys.
Oh, I see a nigga. He's over there. Look at him. He's just
Where?
looking at us.
Where?
Oh,
He's just looking at us.
Oh.
Hey, yo, homie.
that's all the more reason to kill
Hit
him.
him. Wait, hit him with the thing. Hit him with the turtle shells.
He didn't stand a chance.
Alright, I need his body.
I need 2 rocks. I mean, I got them. Never mind.
Wait, does that mean there's a little town nearby?
Yo, deer.
Oh, yeah, there is
Here?
a town nearby. Follow me. Oh, so wait, where are you going? It's towards the town.
Oh, I am.
Yeah. To your right a little bit more.
Go on. We fucking wait for this food. Yo, Carlos.
I'm looking for effigies, dude. Where the fuck are the effigies?
Build a simple one. Don't build
That's what I
anything
am.
complex.
Oh, I found it. Small one.
I see the
You see it
town.
that way?
I see the town, yeah.
We need heads, dude. You got a head?
Where is it?
Grab a skull.
Oh, shit.
Give a fuck about skulls. We need one head and.
Wait, Lorenzo, I think I know why your thing worked before. Did you land in the water? That little pond down there?
Yeah.
What?
That,
Oh yeah, I did.
that could be why.
Probably.
Let's kill these niggas, bruh.
Oh, my last soda.
Remember the times we
Sit
had.
down for a little bit. Reminisce. Hold on, bird.
Oh, these have shit. Okay.
I don't see their names.
I'm getting health meds.
Aloe vera. I need it.
Head ass nigga, fucking.
Alright, we're going.
It's either this or you can't hear me whatsoever.
Shut up, bitch. Alright, we're looking for it.
Excuse me, but what the fuck is the chat black?
No way.
I.
Jump so far that you go straight in the fucking hole.
You're not gonna make
No.
it.
You might go toward that bitch. Put on his face.
You're not gonna make it.
No.
Wait,
No, he's gonna make it.
Lorenzo.
There's water,
Can we make
there's
a
water.
ramp?
What?
Can we make a ramp? So we can slide down on turtle shells and just make it to the middle?
Can we? Let me see.
Hold on. We need
Can you just
stairs.
go on the edge?
The stairs are basically ramps. Custom stairs.
This guy's lagging. Is Lorenzo trying to cheese or is this actually the way you're supposed to do it?
I don't know, dude. I think you're supposed to scale it, but I don't give a fuck. I have a set of stairs right here. All right, yeah, we can make custom stairs.
I
don't know what Lorenzo's making. I don't know how to work the stairs.
I got it, dude. No worries. Oh, they have to be a certain length. All right. Come here.
I got a better one, Carlos. Look at this. Perfect.
No.
Perfect. Yes.
We need a bit more. We can't just fucking. Dude, we're just gonna go straight down.
Dude, are you kidding me? The turtle shells
Alright,
are
I got
fucking
you.
zoom. Alright, dude, that's it. I'm scaling down.
Okay, dude. Fuck you. I'm doing this shit.
I got my super again. Nice. I at least
Yeah,
want to get a
dumbass.
couple doses.
Alright, see you, Carlos.
There's a bitch.
Okay,
I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Nice, dude. Relog.
Relog?
Yeah, just relog. Leave.
Alright, bitch.
Close
Combat
the-
log.
come back. Oh shit. Alright, testing time. This game called real damage. It's
fucking Jerome. This guy's lagging so hard. I'm getting 50 per game now? That's actually good.
No way.
Hello?
What's up,
Yeah,
bitch?
bro.
Dude, I don't hear you guys in Discord.
Dude, just
I don't
close
know
it
what's
and
happening.
Come back.
Oh my god. Did I even leave the VC?
No.
Nice.
Oh, I think Lorenzo fucking died.
No, dude, he's trying to fix this game. He can't hear us.
Oh. No, I noticed someone in the stream was just loading. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm starting to get 1050 primes. Let's go.
Nice.
That's only my Titan, though. I need to get that shit on my Warlock now.
Just turn to the guns. It's gonna be easy.
Yeah.
Dude, it's not working.
I want
Whatever,
to start
fuck it.
getting 1050 weapons.
I closed it and I reopened it, and it's just the same thing. I can't even scroll or anything. I can't even maximize, dude.
Just grind umbrals.
I'm probably
No, it doesn't let me. I don't even know if I'm still in the VC.
So what's really weighing me down for like
Nice.
weapons? I already got a 1050 chest plate.
Carlos, you gonna get on when you're done with Forest?
I'll stream.
Oh, I forgot I left my
Okay,
chainsaw
so
at the
what's really weighing
base.
me down is a primary. I have no good primary.
Nice, retard.
So if I get a primary from this, that's gonna go straight into my
Okay,
mountaintop,
dude.
and that should be
You're
like
real fucking
perfect.
funny. Art.
What's your goal right here, Carlos? What are you trying to do?
Gotta fix up the shit.
What if you can't even skate down the stairs with turtle shells? What if
Oh,
it
you're
just
right.
scuffs?
Well,
I should have fucking
at that
looked
point,
30
we'll
fighting
figure that
stuff.
out, okay?
Oh, he's talking to Lorenzo again.
Nice. Let me test it first then, since I could just relog without you having to close the game.
I can
fucking
fucking hear his ass in game, bro.
I gotta stream up.
It's so fucking funny just to hear him in game.
My racing detector is going off. Beep, 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 beep,
Okay.
beep, 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 beep,
Okay,
beep.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, the phagometer is going off, dude. The phagometer is going off.
Okay,
what?
buddy. We don't almost
Pedometer.
win here. There's no pedos.
The pedometer.
Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, good
You
bitch.
guys are
Shut the
making
fuck up,
stairs?
nigga.
Fuck you.
Yeah,
bro.
they're trying to do this.
3 more
There's
logs.
an actual way to
More.
do it, but
Oh,
I think
yeah.
Lorenzo just wants to fuck it up and do it that way.
Nigger. My game just all capped by
Timber, nigga.
Nice.
What's your button for what's it called? VC in game and
Fucking
then
nice.
In game, it's Q default, and in Discord, it's one of my mouse buttons.
Alright, Carlos. Okay, Carlos. It's time to see you on the other side, buddy.
Go on, bitch. Oh, wait, let me move this shit.
Alright, nigga.
I want to see his point of view
Alright,
so
dude,
bad.
let's go. Hit it. Meow.
No, I'm not getting no speed! I'm not getting no speed!
I told you it wouldn't fucking work, you idiot! He's just gonna plummet. He's not talking,
Did you make
he's
it?
dead. He's dead. He's fucking dead. Nice. Fucking nice.
I think he made it. So you literally have to get down there?
Yes, we gotta go
there's
down.
probably a different way to do it, but
Just make stairs to go down there.
Ronnie.
Let me show you how to make stairs, Ronnie. We click here, and we have to go down there ourselves. You think it's possible? Fuck no.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that, dude.
Final second, just click the fucking button.
That's way too much work. We have to clear out all these trees if we want to do that
Models
shit.
in the care.
This tiny little shit costs like 32 logs, okay?
Truth.
I'm not
News
wasting my
watch
time on that
alert.
bullshit. I'm in my own set of ramps, but it's kind of retarded.
Damn,
need to
easy
find
at home. Where the hell you been?
No way to fucking scale.
Bungie,
correctly.
give me a primary right now.
Oh wait, I have an idea.
Fuck yes, let's go. 1048 prime. That's what I'd like to see.
Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call the paparazzi on myself.
He's back.
Oh, nice.
And he's
Live,
black.
Lorenzo?
Yeah, of course
Did
I
you make
live.
it?
He lived, I
Yeah,
think.
dude, he's,
Yeah.
he's fine. He's gaming.
I knew you made it.
They don't know.
I need a fucking 1050 helmet. Give me that helmet right now, Bungie.
I think I see the stairs.
Fuck.
My rock stairs.
Other 1050 boots. That's not good.
We need fucking Grecky, dude. He knows how to get to a
1050
cave entrance that's like down here somewhere.
Can Lorenzo just look it up?
Can he?
I
Can he?
mean,
I know where it is without looking it up.
Then?
he wants to fucking do the stupid shit, I'm telling you.
Alright, buddy. Kinda selling
Uh,
me. I didn't land! I didn't land!
He's dead.
Fuck's sake.
Fucking
Okay,
got it.
Okay.
Right in front of my eyes.
Okay.
I'm sure you did.
Little bitch.
Alright, Lorenzo, which one is again?
So I gotta
Where's the
get
cave
fusion
entrance?
rifle
Oh,
kills
shit,
and
I just
ability
suck it.
kills. Fusion rifle kills. Finishers and finishers.
No way, dude. No way.
No, dude. Waste of fucking life. Time to go to Mars.
Alright, bitch. Come here.
Where's the cave entrance?
Yo, mama house.
Yo, mama. So fat.
You're dead. I'm coming after you.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Yes, nigga.
Your mom question is, why the fuck is that nigga William saying fuck matter for all of a sudden?
I don't know. Niggas
literally
really still
said-
got clapped.
Literally said it out of fucking nowhere.
Yeah, I see dimples.
We'll see.
There you go.
No, yellow.
10:57
I
is my
hope you
fight.
don't leave, bro. Because that psychology class was like fucking
For
awesome.
real, it was dead without him.
It would be fucking dead.
Bro, we walk into AP Psych. He's just, oh my god, I'd kill myself.
You guys are gonna get AP Psych?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are so fucked.
Nigga,
How
that
bad
says
is
you
it?
were fucked because of Corona. We're not.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Did Corona actually fuck up your class, Lorenzo?
Hell yes.
Well, how was it like before?
How bad? How bad before the Rona?
How bad before Corona?
Yeah.
For Rona?
It wasn't bad at all. It was super easy. Well, Corona, I came around and dude, 30-minute AP videos that you have to watch, and then there's like
okay.
10 fucking Word documents I had to fill out with guided notes. Dude,
All
it
I
was
know
bad.
is that he just assigns a lot of work, but that's it.
And then FRQs out the ass, dude. 2 FRQs like every day.
Damn. Well, thank God.
But hey, I ended with a C, nigga, and I didn't do shit. Hey, my niggas.
Oh, my niggas.
I mean,
Lord.
we're gonna get people from like that other class as well, like,
Alright,
like
Carlton,
that
we're
other
here.
psychology class, you know?
All right, I got you. I know the way
Yeah,
down.
the other teacher, you know, Draven?
Oh my fucking
Oh,
god.
whatever the fucking
Nice.
name is.
Fucking
Yeah.
idiot.
The woman.
Who you calling an
I
idiot?
heard that like
Monkey.
Avila Ray was there.
I'm not even fucking sure,
I
man.
don't know.
All right, let's go. Oh, fuck. All right.
Carlos, you wanna play Hot Potato?
Oh, yeah, dude.
Uh-oh.
There's no dynamite there for me. Down.
Bro, like I was literally just like thinking about like, you know, what if I show that nigga William
I'm fine.
like the SoundCloud song?
You fine?
Yeah, of course I'm
Oh
fine.
my
I've
God.
done this before. Me and Gurky did this already. Just
No
keep
damn
on
well
falling
if you
down
showed
as much
those
as
songs to
possible.
Quinn, he'd start posting them everywhere.
Yeah.
Carlos!
Don't whatever you do,
What?
don't show anything to Quinn, bro. Keep
Now,
him
that
like,
nigga
silent.
was
from here we jump into the water.
He'll
No,
literally
are you
end that
fucking
shit from
stupid?
there.
Imagine
I
the
will
stairs, Lorenzo.
I'm gonna get that nigga William like just saw
I'm gonna go get that
I'm
nigga.
healing
Alright, now
a little bit.
where?
Hold on, I'm healing.
shot the black man and took his shoe.
Move, Carlos, move, Carlos.
Dude,
Oh,
Quinn,
okay.
Quinn hit that surfboard on the fat bitch.
What the fuck?
Surfboard, what?
Henry, you saw the
You
video?
didn't see the video. You didn't see the video.
Oh my
I didn't see
God.
the video. I didn't see the
Dude,
video.
Henry, it was so fucking funny.
Oh, that was close. That was super fucking close.
Oh my
you
God.
don't got it on you, do you?
Huh? No.
What the fuck's this?
I don't want a video of Quinn piping a fat hole in the back of a Walgreens.
Wait, piping what?
Yeah,
Yes!
dude. Alright, we're here.
Ew.
Yeah, he was like piping some
is
fat
that
chick in the back of a Walgreens.
A wall.
And then he puts
What's
one
up?
arm back and one arm forward. He's hitting the
See that
surfboard on her.
bitch over there?
You're
It
cutting
was so
out.
funny.
Do you see the nigga?
I
What
hate
nigga?
him.
The
I
trap
fucking
niggas?
hate him.
Yeah.
Yeah, what about him?
Alright, never mind. They're not special. I felt
Please
like
tell me
one of
that
the
nigga's
boss
leaving,
guys.
bro. If William's leaving, he better be leaving. as
I'm
well.
just gonna jump in the water, nigga. Later, bitch.
On God. And that's on God.
That is on God. He better fucking leave with William, bro. I do not want to see him. I don't want to see William. That's it. Literally, William and Josh are like the funniest niggas out of all time.
So true.
Ah, shit. My reboot is not on.
Fucking nice. Nice.
Because William always gets in these fucking situations where just like how, just how.
William's a real one.
Craziest story.
Alright,
bro.
Draven, we're about to beat the fucking game.
Hold on,
Get ready for this shit.
Tapping in. Alright.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Yeah,
I
let's
wanna
go.
do this.
The adventure is coming to an end.
Yes.
I gotta save my son, bro. Then
Save? Bro, that's not my kid.
We're killing him. We're killing him.
Yes.
That ain't mine. He ain't mine.
That's not my child.
that ain't mine.
It's his fault.
That ain't me. That ain't me.
I'm 6'4" and that baby is short.
That nigga really in a cave, underwater cave.
Hell yeah,
Those
brother.
homeland.
Okay.
How's he in an underwater cave? Even though like these niggas are primitives.
We got a rebreather.
Dude, they got a rebreather, bro.
No, there's no niggas in underwater caves. Well, and you gotta
Lord.
realize that if it's an underwater cave, it probably just leads. It probably just leads to a separate entrance besides the underwater part.
Oh, lit fire.
Mimi McFire. Okay, dude.
Oh shit! Why are the cops on
Don't
me?
play like
Okay.
that? Alright, buddy.
Okay, buddy. You're real fucking funny. Little bitch. Uh-oh, Carlos. Uh-oh.
What?
What is on there?
Sure is, dude. Fucking water, dumbass.
More lore.
Lore. Okay, dude. I'm watching lore right now. Can you fuck off? I'm looking at lore.
Hello? Attack?
Oh shit.
That nigga. Get that nigga.
Ow.
Nice, you got in my way.
Fuck off.
Hey, later, bitch.
Who's crying?
Uh-oh.
Nice.
What the fuck?
It's just nothing. Ooh,
Arms D breakout collected.
Interesting. Hold on.
Alright, Carlos. Should I
I'm gonna watch
scale
this shit.
down?
Fuck you.
Or should I? Alright, Carlos. Let's see how far down this is. Let's see how much of a chance I had of dying. Oh, no, not that much. I want to watch it. Alright, you ready for movie time, boys?
Alright, nothing crazy happens. Arms is just shot on everyone. But that's to be expected.
What is this?
It's lore.
Little lore.
The wheelchair, Carlos.
What?
You're in the video.
Nice, dude. That's your kid, bro.
It's
What do you
really-
They got you on 4K.
That ain't me. They got you a 4K, nigga.
That ain't me.
This is the highest quality shit I've ever seen. How'd they get you like this? That ain't me.
The
Sorry, but you got the wrong guy.
Okay, wheelchair ass, nigga. Shut your ass up.
Do I hear some?
I don't hear some.
Hold on. Do you hear this?
Yeah, now I hear it.
Yeah, me too, dude. Oh shit, what is that? Oh, regulars.
Oh, there's like 4 niggas.
Normies!
Dude! They don't stop attacking. Fucking rats. Yeah, get in the wall, bitch.
I yell like that, like.
Dude, kinda scary.
My game crashed.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You fucking.
Wait! What? That means I have to go down. Oh!
What?
That means I have to go all the way down the cave
Yeah.
and the big hole.
Stupid Annie.
Oh.
Stupid Annie.
Fucking nice.
Don't worry, Carlos, I'll make it.
I'm sure you will.